Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 5, Day 1. Listen as I say a word, chin. I want to know how many sounds are in the word chin. So let's count it with our fingers. Ch, I, n, 3 sounds. We are going to be saying some more words. Get ready, let's make the sounds with our hand. So we did chin, now let's do chirp. Ch, p. 3 sounds. Chill. Ch, I, l. 3 sounds. Check. Ch, k. 3 sounds. Chess. Ch, s. 3 sounds. Inch. I, n, ch. 3 sounds. Ranch. N, ch. 4 sounds. Lunch. N, ch. 4 sounds. Bench. N, ch. 4 sounds. Catch. Ch. 3 sounds. Phone. N, 3 sounds. Stuff. F. 4 sounds. When. N, 3 sounds. Well. L. 3 sounds. Where. 3 sounds. Okay, nice job, friends. Okay, let's look at some words that we've learned. I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and then we'll read them. 3, 2, 1, rabbit. 3, 2, 1, picnic. And you'll notice these are closed syllables because we have our consonant vowel. Okay. 3, 2, 1, absent. 3, 2, 1, selfish. 3, 2, 1, finish. 3, 2, 1, dentist. 3, 2, 1, basket. 3, 2, 1, rushing. 3, 2, 1, singing. Okay, friends, we're continuing to work on digraphs, and remember, a digraph is 2 sounds put together that make a new sound, so they're kind of special. So 2 or 3 sounds put together. So this is the cheese card. The cheese card says ch. So CH says ch, and TCH says ch. Sometimes CH can be first or last, but TCH is always last. Okay, so I like to help kids learn this by looking at a choo-choo train, and we go C, CH, 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 choo, 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 ch, ch, ch. Okay, let me go up here. Okay, let's do it together. CH, 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 choo, 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 ch, ch, ch. And then these last ones, I just go TCH, TCH, ch, ch, ch. Okay? This is the whale card. Now, I'm going to teach you 2 ways to say this digraph. WH, traditionally in the past, has said hua. Say it with me, hua. Nowadays, it can say hua or wa. So you might have heard whale, but really it's supposed to be whale. So that's how we're going to learn it this week. Okay? So I do WH, WH, hua, hua, hua. White whale, hua, hua, hua. Because they have, they spit out water from the top of their head. Okay. WH, WH, hua, hua, hua. White whale, wha, hua, hua, hua. Okay, here's our next one. We know that F says f, this is the fire card, but we have a digraph here. PH says f as well. The most famous example of PH is phone. That's a smartphone. So and we go phony phone. So PH, PH, phony phone, phony phone, Okay, let's blend some of these sounds. So remember, this is a wh sound, okay? You do the rest. Wh. Blend. Word. Whiz. Or whiz. People say it either way, but for today it's whiz. Okay, CH is ch. Blend. Put it together. Chop. CH says ch. Put it together. Much. Go ahead. Put it together. TCH says ch. Word. Pitch. Ooh, here's a blend that keeps its sounds. Grr. Blend. Oh, there's phony phone. Together. Graph. Okay, let's look at these sounds. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Grr. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. St. Okay, let's blend some. We'll do some together and then we'll take turns. And then eventually it'll be your turn. Okay, here we go. Let's blend together. Such. Word. Such. Ch. At. Word. Chat. Ch. Ek. Word. Check. Lunch. Word. Lunch. Itch. Word. Which. Now, this is which, like which one. Okay, here we go. Catch. Word. Catch. Rich. Word. Rich. In. Word. Chin. Okay, now we'll take turns. You go first, then I'll go. Okay, that's a blend. Blend. Word. Graph. PH says f. Okay, together. Inch. Word. Inch. Okay, here's the name. Your turn. Word. Mitch. That's a boy's name. Okay, together. St. F. PH says f. Steph. Now this time it's your turn by yourself. This little word says, this says internal sounding out. That means the goal, friends, is for you to be able to look at the sound, look at the word, say the sounds without saying them out loud in your head, and then say it. Okay? So 3, 2, 1. Whip. Now if you said whip, that's correct too. But this week we're learning the wh sound. Whip. 3, 2, 1. Whiz. 3, 2, 1. Bunch. 3, 2, 1. Bench. 3, 2, 1. Chest. 3, 2, 1. Chess. 3, 2, 1. Wing. 3, 2, 1. Shop. 3, 2, 1. Graph. PH says f. 3, 2, 1. Inch. 3, 2, 1. Mitch. 3, 2, 1. Steph. And that's like a nickname for Stephanie. Okay, so let's read our sentence. Okay, Chet will pitch. Okay, fluently, Chet will pitch. Do you have a capital? Yes. Finger space. Can I read it? Legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. And mark. 3, 2, 1. Period. I'm just telling you something. It's a statement. Okay, here's another sentence. Steph will catch. Capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Legible spelling end mark? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Period. It's just a statement. I'm just telling you something. Okay, let's do one more sentence. Okay. Which, like which one? Which lunch will Mitch pick? Okay, do we have a capital? We do. But what we also want to notice here is that we have a capital here as well because Mitch is a name. Okay. Capital, finger space, yes. Legible, yes. Spelling, yes. End mark, yes. Our end mark's different this time. 3, 2, 1. Question mark. So I have my question mark. We don't know. Let's read it fluently. Which lunch will Mitch pick? Okay, here are our high frequency words for the week. This is the word around. Read the word with me. Around. The word around is spelled A-R-O-U-N-D. Spell the word with me. A-R-O-U-N-D. Let's write it in the air. A-R-O-U-N-D. The top spins around. This is the word by. Read the word with me. By. The word by is spelled B-Y. Read the word with me. B-Y. Let's spell it in the air. I meant spell the word with me. B-Y. Okay. Let's write it in the air. B-Y. I sat by Chad at lunch. This is the word many. Read the word with me. Many. The word many is spelled M-A-N-Y. Spell the word with me. M-A-N-Y. Let's write it in the air. M-A-N-Y. Many kids like to run. This is the word place. Read the word with me. Place. The word place is spelled P-L-A-C-E. Spell the word with me. P-L-A-C-E. Okay, let's write it. P-L-A-C-E. This is a good place to sit. And last, this is the word walk. Read the word with me. Walk. The word walk is spelled W-A-L-K. Read the word with me. W-A-L-K. Let's write it in the air. W-A-L-K. Walk with me. Okay, here's our story. We're going to read this together. Here we go. Kick it, Nick. Here are words we'll see. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Is. 3, 2, 1. See. 3, 2, 1. Was. 3, 2, 1. On. 3, 2, 1. The. Okay, we're going to read this together. Kick it, Nick. Nick cannot kick it. Nick is a bit sad. Nick can see Rick. Rick can pack a sack. Nick was on the dock. This is a dock, it's in the water. Did Nick see it rock? Nick can see Kim. She can pick a fat bat. Nick is back. Nick can kick it a lot. Okay, friends, so this is our last part, and I kind of have to go quickly. So normally, the name of a person, place, or thing, a noun is a person, place, or thing, and we add an S or an ES. But sometimes we change the whole word. Man becomes men. Woman becomes women. Child becomes children. Person becomes people. Mouse becomes mice. Tooth becomes teeth. These are called irregular plurals. That means they totally change the word. Okay, really quickly. 2 children play catch. Children would be my irregular plural. Men and women are eating lunch. Men and women would be my irregular plurals. A few people run on the track. People would be my irregular plural because we went from person. We didn't say persons, we said people. Okay, friends, that's all for now. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. Bye, everyone.